So what do we see here? We see different types of components of our environment. So you see clouds, the bridge, the river, even the boats. All these things together make up our environment, isn't it? Now, are all these things living beings? Not really. Are all these things non-living beings? Not really. They are all together making up our environment. So, all the living things and non-living things together make up our environment. So, we have different components of the environment. Some are biotic and some are abiotic. So, some are with life and some are without life. Now, all these together make up a system, and only then our environment is possible. That is, our survival is possible, because all these things coexist and work together like a system. So, for example, we humans need food to survive. Now, where do we get food from? Well, some of our food comes from plants and some from animals. Now, where do these animals get their food from? Well, they get their food from the plants, isn't it? Now, what about the plants? From where do they get their food? Well, plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight and water, which they usually get from rainfall. So, all these natural components of the environment help the survival of the plants. Now, how does rainfall occur? Well, a very important cause behind rainfall is trees. So, you see, rainfall is dependent on trees. So, you see how the entire system is dependent on each other. Everybody is dependent on any other component of the environment. So, see, all these together make up a system and they are all interdependent. So, there is interdependence between the different components of the environment. So, you see, different components of the environment are interdependent on each other. Now, for example, let's say one of the components of the environment affects another component of the environment. What happens then? Now, here, what do we see? We see that human beings are cutting trees so that they can clear the area and build houses in this area. Now, when there are no trees in the area, what will be affected most? Well, as I mentioned, trees are a very important cause for rainfall. Now, if there are no trees in the area, rainfall will be affected. And when rainfall will be affected, well, then the entire area will go dry and all the different living beings, including human beings, will suffer due to shortage of water. So, what do we see here? We see that man, which is a biotic component of the environment, affects trees. When man cuts trees, it is basically affecting trees, which are biotic component of the environment. Now, when trees are affected, well, the shortage of trees in the area affects rainfall. Now, what is rainfall? Well, rainfall is an abiotic component of the environment. So, you see, one biotic component of the environment affected another biotic component of the environment, which in turn affected an abiotic component of the environment. And when this abiotic component of the environment gets affected, well, many different components of the environment get affected. Definitely, trees will get no water for survival. Man will get no water for survival. Soil, which is an abiotic component of the environment, even that will go dry. And what about animals and birds? They are biotic component of the environment, and even they will not get water for survival. So you see, one biotic component of the environment affected all the different components of the environment because they are all interrelated and interdependent. So you see, all the different components of the environment are interdependent. Now, can you tell me, absence of trees in an area will affect both biotic and abiotic components of the environment. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is definitely true, because when an area has no trees, then rainfall of that area will get affected, and as a result, both biotic and abiotic components of the environment will get affected. So this is a true statement. Now I'll share with you another example in which, due to interdependence of different components of the environment, effect on one component resulted in effect on many other components of the environment. So once there was a fire in a forest. As you can see, many trees started burning because of this forest fire. Now most of the trees in the area got burned due to the fire, as you can see. So there is no greenery left. And when there are no trees, what will happen? Well, rainfall would get affected in the area. So no trees would mean no or very less rainfall in the area. And what would happen because of that? Well, due to less rainfall, all the living beings, including plants in the area, suffered. So you see, because of the forest fire, that is burning of forest due to fire, which is an abiotic component of the environment, all the different components of the environment got affected and everybody suffered, including all the other trees in the area got affected. So you see, all the different components of the environment are interdependent, whether they are biotic or abiotic. And because of this interdependence, a system is created through which all of the different beings of the environment can survive. So when we talk about biotic and abiotic components of the environment, they are all interdependent. All the components of the environment are interdependent, and effect on one component will gradually have effect on all the other components of the environment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.